blue and brown. Obviously, complementary colours will look really good. You've got your 28, your 24, 20 and 13 inch vanity again. But when you buy the set, they do go all inside of each other for storage. Inside the vanity is like so. Case strap, zip pocket and divider. And then all the cases, again like I said, 360 wheels, aluminium handle, TSA lock just there. And inside this one again, you've got your adjustable strap on this side, net pocket here, and your divider like so. Again, originally 160 for the set, but you can get it all for 112 if you use your voucher. You can buy them separately as well.